Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaurya and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge question number 29. Question is game of life, मतलब जिंदगी का game. Well, this question is kind of a simple question, not that tough question. Actually, understanding this question is tough. This question is just saying that you are given a matrix of m cross n and with a four main rule. The rule is, see, the initial state could be any 0 and 1, and 1 is representing the life, 0 is representing the dead. See, you can read these four rules over here. Okay? So you just need to actually convert this matrix to the next generation matrix. For this, see, it becomes 0. For this, it becomes 1, and so on. The catch part in this question is you have to do this in the same place first, and another thing is your time complexity should be good. Okay, so this is a small kind of a small code which I bring up with. So this solution is also a simple solution. We have just used two nested for loops and a bunch of if, which I think should be needed. Nevertheless, this is what I have submitted, and see, now my time complexity is coming pretty good. So yeah, I'm happy. So thank you, and I will post more videos.